welcome to It's Tomorrow News. As per Icelandic Meteorological Office reports earlier this week, seismic data indicated the beginning of a minor eruption with magma from the volcano and melting ice within the glaciers Þingeyjajökull ice cap. Icelandic authorities declared a no-fly zone of 100 nautical miles by 140 nautical miles around the eruption as a precaution but did not shut down airspace over most of the island nation in northern Atlantic. Volcanic ash from Iceland snarled air traffic across Europe, causing the cancellation of thousands of flights according to the intergovernmental body that manages European air travel. The plumes have closed some of Europe's busiest airports, including Charles de Gaulle in Paris, London's Heathrow, and Schiphol in Amsterdam. France, Germany, Ireland, Sweden, Norway, Belgium, Denmark, Poland, and Netherlands have also announced the complete or partial closure of their airspace, authorities in each country said. Major aircraft carriers such as Delta Airlines, Air China, Cathay Pacific, British Airways, etc. have rerouted their airships. Many airports were already shut and flights were grounded across the United Kingdom on Thursday because of the ash which came after an eruption under an Icelandic glacier early Wednesday, airport authorities said. Flights to the United Kingdom from Japan, China, Hong Kong, India and Australia were affected, and Etihad Airways announced the cancellation of flights between Abu Dhabi and England. The Air Transport Association of America said member airlines cancelled about 165 flights to and from Europe each day, according to the association, whose members carry more than 90% of US passengers. Seismic activity is continuing at the Bardarbunga volcano about 30 km away. European Air Safety Agency Eurocontrol said it would produce a forecast of likely ash behavior every 6 hours. Iceland's Eyjafjallajökull volcano erupted in 2010, producing ash that severely disrupted air travel. The red alert is the highest warning on the country's 5-point scale. Because of the pressure from the glacier cap, it is uncertain whether the eruption will stay subglacial or not. Bardarbunga and Þingeyjajökull are a part of large volcano system hidden beneath the 500-meter thick Vatnajökull glacier in central Iceland. So that's all for today. For more updates, stay tuned with us for It's Tomorrow News. Karishma Panchal.